took my laptop and I put it on 2 bins and 3 board games. So it's like stacked about as high as I could get it. I found this fabric that I had in the basement that I never finished a project with, and I taped that up. So I'm gonna slowly tilt this up. You can see I just taped it to the ceiling or to the wall, and you can see it's small, right? There's like a little bit you can see there on the edge. That's all the fabric I've got. So I had to frame this in really carefully. If I go this way, there's the rest of the basement. If I go this way is where my computer usually is. So I've created this like little nook, and it's just a lot less distracting than having all that stuff. The other reason I did this is because I have a window right in front of me here, and I have another window over there. So I'm using the natural light to my advantage instead of having myself backlit. This is what I've got. And the other thing I have is this like little teeny soft focus little table light thing. This is like a decorative light. It's not any kind of film light. I just put it far enough away that it's a fill light filling in some of the harsh sunlight, but it's not right in my eyes or right in your space. Lastly, I am in a basement and it's really big and it has a concrete floor. So I have like right there a blanket, and I just took my entire like basket of clean laundry and put it right there. And then in front of me I have a drum set, and I just covered the whole drum set with a blanket. So I'm trying as best I can to sort of minimize the sound, boost the light, position myself so it's not a totally distracting space. If you're just listening in on a meeting, you might not need to do all this. You certainly don't. But if you're presenting to other people and you want people to really be focused on you, you're going to want to think about these kinds of considerations.